Okay, we're back. I have sat here, finished the 2 nails, I top coated, I cured, and then I figured, well, it's not screaming SheModern Saturday to me. So I cut me out 2 decals from the line of, let me move this so I can see. Oh. Mixed Arts 07. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what sheet this is. And I've cut out 2 of the right here. Right here. So I have lightly buffed off the top coat. I'm going to go in with the grip gel. And then I will cure that. Put that over your nail. And I'm going to pop this in the layup for 30. I have got the 2 decals already cut out, as you can see here. I have scored them in 4 places around the flower. I have got my ice cube stamper from Maniology. And this is how you clean them. Now, Modelones, I have a 10% off code, so please check that out in the description box, along with all my other discount codes that I have, and there are a few. Check out Double Dip Nails, they are in there. Oh my goodness, there's Maniology, Double Dip Nails, there's, I forgot who all is in there, those are the only ones that come into mind right now. So dab that off on something lint free, pop this on your nail where you would like it. Get your silicone tool and smooth out your surface so you have got no air bubbles, water bubbles below. These are really beautiful. I love, and they are hollow. How can you not like the hollow? Move this to the side now. Ice cube stamper out of the way. We are going to go back in with the Eye Gel Beauty Top Coat. It's a no cleanse. Alright, I'm also going to take back in the Bling. Let's put this in the middle of Sunflower. And it flipped over on me. There we go. And then we're gonna pop this in, cure this nail, and then we'll be done. If I have not already invited you, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell for all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Check out my giveaways. I have 2 running right now. One ends in a couple days. So check that out. One is USA only. One is USA and international. Check them, check them. So here's the other 4 nails. I think these are so pretty, especially these two with the bling. I don't know if you can see the flower balloon from the stencil, and then in between is the white hollow powder. Clear white hollow glitter color. I think that is just so pretty. I'm hoping you can see that from the lamp, but the white just, I don't know, it really makes it sparkle. Whoops. Here's our 3rd nail. And there we go. There's our SheModern Saturday. I know these 2 nails are plain, but that's okay. We can still sport them like this, right? What do you think? Would you wear them? I think they're cute. I really like them a lot. Well, this concludes our video for this week. Please leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Let me know. Let me know what you think. If you're new here, please leave me a comment. Let's get to know each other. But until then, have a blessed day. Thank you.